If you're looking to transfer money using Western Union, finding the cheapest method with the Western Union app can save you significant fees. Western Union offers multiple ways to send money: bank transfer, cash pickup, and mobile wallet. But costs vary depending on the method, country, and payment type. Using the app wisely can unlock cheaper transfers. First, always choose funding via bank account instead of credit or debit cards. Cards attract higher fees while bank transfers reduce transaction charges. Second, it's a good idea to use scheduled transfers instead of instant transfers. A transfer that's scheduled for later often comes with lower fees in many countries. Third, make sure to take advantage of promo and referral codes inside the app. Western Union occasionally offers codes for first-time users or repeat senders. For example, codes like WU10 off or Transfer 5, just check the app promotions, can really cut fees or even give you some extra bonus money. Fourth, select local currency payout. Sending in the recipient's currency instead of yours helps you avoid those double conversion fees. Fifth, optimize transfer amounts smartly. Sending slightly higher amounts sometimes qualifies for tiered discounts or reduces fixed transaction costs per dollar. Oh, and here's something interesting. Exploring regional partnerships can be quite beneficial. Western Union partners with local banks and digital wallets which, occasionally reduces fees. For instance, when you're transferring to select banks in the Philippines or Mexico, you might find that the rates are cheaper via the app than online on the website. Pretty neat, right? Now here's another trick that often flies under the radar: comparing different Western Union routes inside the app. It's fascinating because sending via a mobile wallet for a country may cost less than opting for a cash pickup, or it could be the other way around. So by checking each option, you can ensure you're selecting the most economical route. Give it a try. And lastly, keep an eye out for special weekday discounts. You see, some countries' transfers are cheaper if sent midweek, so timing your transfer can actually save you a few extra dollars. It's all about being smart with your timing. So, to wrap it all up, by combining bank funding, promo codes, local currency, scheduled transfers, and careful route selection, you can send money efficiently while minimizing costs. It's all about making those savvy choices.